What is going on, SMG4 fans? Regan, Wilks, Autism Productions here. That's right. RWAP, Regan Wilks 54 here. That's right. And welcome back to another exciting SMG4 reactions of all time you've been waiting for. And today we're going to be continuing with the first SMG4 story arc, is the Waluigi Arc. So today I'm going to be reacting to SMG4 Mario Saw and SMG4 Mario, the Scam Artist by SMG4. So, I have seen the Mario with Saw before, but I haven't seen the Scam Artist before. But I've seen the Mario Carnival and the Warp Out of Italians 2018. But without further ado, the original links are in the description below, and if you get to subscribe to SMG4 English Productions, and let's go!
Oh, mamma mia!
Oh man, what happened? Did we party yesterday? Oh yeah, there's Luigi. He probably ate too much. Yep.
What are you doing?
I wanna
What's
play
going
a
on
game.
here? Mamma mia!
Oh man, I bought a hat. It looks like ass. Yep, the chains.
Oh,
Oh boy, Mario must be did some pretty weird crap yesterday.
Whoa!
Oh,
Hey,
Luigi!
Mario!
I'm scared, Mario. Are we going to die? Calm down, Luigi. This is probably one of the Mario fans. They kidnapped me. All that. Oh, like the Hotel Mario?
I want to play a game.
Yeah, that's not Jigsaw, but that is. Games? Oh boy, can we play some smash each other in the ass, bros?
No. In 30 seconds, those piranha plants will close, killing.
Oh, come on. I want to play something else.
In 30 seconds, those.
Hey, don't interrupt.
Gee, it sure is
Boring around here.
You know what? I'm starting the timer. Try to get out and you die. Goodbye.
30 seconds left.
Well, shit.
No, I can't go!
No
Don't worry,
problem.
Luigi. Mario
Here I
figured
go.
it out. Yeah, those texts are too fast. Uh-oh. Being nice always works. Oh, Venture's plans will be pretty soon. I go. Come on, 10 seconds left.
Oh no!
You can't die like this. Hey there, you.
How you doing?
Here.
Baby, you are sexy.
Really? Yes. Let us make babies.
No.
What the hell?
What the hell? How come Spaghetti doesn't talk to me like that?
Whatever. Let's just go to the next room.
What? Mario's a king.
Shit.
Get over here!
Hey, Luigi!
How you
How's your
doing?
Saturday going? Mario, watch out! Uh-oh.
It's the tunnel of doom, baby.
That's it, Luigi. That's done, Mario.
Tunnel of Doom. Very scary.
Mario, are you okay?
Mario?
Mario's always okie dokie.
Wow! Here we go!
There you go, Luigi.
It's a Mario time.
Let's
Peace. Hey. No stopping the pain train.
Go faster.
Whoopsie doodle.
Wait, could it be Waluigi S. Jigsaw?
My scrotums.
Oh.
Mamma mia. That was a lot of fun.
Aren't you guys having fun? I know I am. Get over here.
Wow!
Wrong.
No breaking the rules, Mario.
Oh, hell no!
Incoming!
Oh!
My ovaries.
My ovaries. Woody.
Big mistake.
Mario?
You really shouldn't have done that. You've just
That's
earned
what I
yourself
was going to
the
say.
punishment round.
Oh no.
Next game? Oh boy, it's a bit spicy in here. Lava! Attack the lava line!
Welcome to the floor is lava. Each one of you have a button by your feet. Pressing the button will release your shackle, dropping you into the lava. Whoever drops into the lava dies, but makes it so the other person is free to go. Oh shit! We're all gonna die! Time for the true brotherly test. Oh, and the lava is rising, so if you don't make a choice soon, you both die! Have fun!
Have fun! Sacrifice Mario, what do we do? Try swinging to me! Oh, good idea! Hurry up, Mario! You're wasting time. Mario?
Ese
I'm
no
going to
para que
press
no
the
sé,
button.
no.
Luigi!
Oh.
I know Mario. But if my brother gets to live,
Okay.
then I'm okay with that. Luigi, wait! Don't you dare! Mario, give it up!
Luigi.
Make sure Peach, Toad, and the others don't forget about me. Luigi, stop, please!
Mario,
I love you, brother.
Sorry.
Hey, some weird taste in lava.
Luigi! Wow.
This is lava, it's just really warm Kool-Aid.
What? What the hell's going on?
Good show, everyone.
You son
You
of a bitch.
masked ass when I get my hands on you.
Wow. Yeah.
Watermelon flavor.
Luigi, for your kindness, generosity, and devout love for your brother, you're free to go. I wish my brother loved me that much.
Aww. Wait, brother?
Anyway, you're free to go. I'm gonna send you to the sewers now.
Wow.
Wait,
Mamma
I don't
mia.
want to leave here without my bro!
Yeah, well, it's non-negotiable.
Bye.
Oh. Luigi!
Luigi, please! Kool-Aid, please!
Mario!
Sorry.
As for you, my fat Italian friend, you get to go to the bonus round!
I love bonus rounds.
Mamma mia! Mario think this
Oh
again.
man, this is getting a little too weird for Mario.
I want to play a game.
How about a nice
Well, Mario
game
doesn't want to
of-
play this game, he wants to go home!
All you have to do is answer this question truthfully.
Okay.
I don't know.
Question?
Hell, you
But
come
Mario
now,
didn't
boy.
study for the
Will you
test.
be my friend?
Ooh, you so good
wait
you
a
got
minute,
Mario
that's Bally
confused.
one, or...
What if I said please?
No, so much no.
1,000 times no!
Oh, did you have a stroke? Yep, I knew it was Waluigi! What? Waluigi? Thank you, Mario, for rejecting me. Oh yeah, cause Mario was Nintendo because Smash Bros. You have to let that go, bro. You have to let it go, Waluigi. It's just a game. You have to let it go.
What are you doing?
Waluigi,
I'ma think you
have
go
gone
cuckoo crazy.
I sent 1,000 emails out of the people of Mushroom Kingdom. Jeez, 1,000 emails? And every person I sent to reject the invitation. Wait, Bob. And before every person dies, I was reaching my final form until not go.
Ah, come on.
So it was Mario who didn't go. You were the only one to accept my until no. I mean now. So you set all this up and made me think Luigi died. So I wouldn't like you.
Waluigi.
Exactly.
Mamma
Yeah,
mia!
you have issues. Ha! You wouldn't understand, you never understand. But now I've reached my final form.
Waluigi.
Thank you, Mario. We will meet again. Wow.
Oh no.
So it was Mario
No.
who sent the email to Waluigi. Now that makes sense, he got revenge. And YouTube ads, please leave me alone. Stop getting into my reaction when I pause and resume the recording. Please get out of my face, YouTube ads. Screw you. And now, the card will tell your fate.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Korean house?
Oh no. What does it mean? Wow.
Not the Korean house, cause there's a bajillion. Oh yeah, I have seen this game before. Luckily, I have a whole bunch of crazy charms. Need a rabbit paw? Wait, that's Demo Man?
Fine.
Yeah, I forgot I watched that before. I forgot about that.
I love you, man.
Well, I don't want to be unlucky, so I'll buy it all. What's that?
I know.
Ooh, a leprechaun.
That's not a leprechaun.
Leprechaun. Come here, I need to rub you all over my body. Please come back. I don't want to be unlucky. Mamma mia.
God damn it. Ever since Waluigi left, it's been harder and harder to scam people.
Mamma mia.
I did it!
Yeah,
I did
all
it!
this stuff.
I did it!
Wario and Waluigi always be together when they rob banks. In their own game. One of my favorites. That idiot brother. Pathetic. Good for nothing. Oh, my ass is itchy.
Mamma mia. What's going on here?
Oh, wait, that.
To my ass.
Have a rotten day. Ah!
What? Mario? Mario, is that you? Help me!
Ah! Get out of
Nah,
here!
I'm gonna rob you instead.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
What the heck is this? There's only spaghetti in your pocket? You better put that back or you're gonna be very sorry.
Hey!
Ew, gross.
Mamma mia!
What are
What's
you
going
doing
on
in
here?
there anyway? Your brother has gone
Cuckoo
crazy. He's trying to
crazy.
kill me. Probably deserves. Wait!
Holy
You
shit!
saw Waluigi?
Mamma mia.
Yeah, and he strapped Mario in his chair like a little pervert.
I don't care about stupid shit.
Not that I care about that anyway. I just need someone to help me with my scam.
Hey there, buddy. How's it going?
Why are you looking at me like
Looking at
that?
me like that, Mario's scared.
Mamma mia.
Waluigi got some frizz.
Hey,
Hey,
Stinky!
you just going to leave me here?
Hello!
Yeah!
Oh, you're going to save me, right?
I was so happy to see you again.
I'm amazing.
Ha.
Mario.
Ah!
Okay, listen here, Mario. If I free you,
Alright!
you have to help me scam people. Got it? I hate scams.
Excellent!
Let's
Get out
get
of
to
here!
work.
Here we go!
Shut up and follow me. I think I heard someone.
Yeah.
Pigeon Blue Bibs was hot to name me too.
About
What
the
did you say? Get out of here!
Oh, Miku, isn't this romantic?
Every Comic-Con cosplayer always loved body
Oh, hey,
pillows.
Wario.
Because I wish I had
Under
one.
my bench.
If I have the Luna or Karate character. Anyways.
Oh, really? You can make
But
it come
hot thing,
alive?
Miku.
Oh, do it. I'll pay you anything.
I'm number
Put
one.
that multiple enemy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wario.
to make Corey in the house as an anime.
Wario.
Now for the forbidden chant. Abraca.
Oh, no, Miku.
Wow. Don't worry, your girl shall come alive now.
Ah, spaghetti.
Hurry up.
I can come alive now.
Shit, I forgot about that.
Ow.
Oh.
Notice me, Senpai. Notice me.
Oh, yeah, she's alive. Come here, Miku.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hello. It's me.
Anime.
Give me a big smooch, Miku. Sweetie, smooch. Can I get a refund? This Miku doesn't like me.
Let's try something else.
Yeah.
Okay, remember the
Okie
plan.
dokie.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Woohoo!
Oh, yeah. What?
Let's go.
Not right now. Okay.
Oh yeah. All right. Here we
What do I
go.
think?
Wahoo!
Come here, fishy fishy. All right.
I got it. I got it.
Invisible.
Hallelujah. Holy.
That's awesome. Thomas.
Have a
And
rotten
I'll be
day.
a magic invisible. Oh, we're gonna appear again.
Shit.
Shoot.
Fine.
Close your eyes. Wheelchair's broken.
Bus-looking alien!
Where?
Why?
You can't trick me. This is still part of the show, isn't it?
That was a lots of fun.
Okay, that's it. You.
Yeah. I can't
Go back to
lose.
the chair. You go.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie. I'm a beat. Okie dokie.
Who's to scam next? Too sexy. Devil. Barney and the bottom is done. Perfect. We can scam Luigi.
Luigi.
Oh no! Luigi! Luigi! Mario!
Oh, you got the Mario
Hey,
things
Mario.
now.
Hey.
I got it. Let's go.
Quick, grab on.
Come here, fishy fishy.
That's not a two.
Hi there, young people. It's a nice day today.
Mamma mia.
Face off!
Oh, mamma mia.
Oh.
Luigi.
Ow.
Luigi.
Looks like you're not dead.
Luigi.
Thanks, but please get up on me.
Whoa.
Ambulance is here,
Mario.
just like I came just in
Yeah.
time. Good job, Mario.
Here we go.
You need saving. No, I'm fine actually. I'm just a bit tired. Clear!
Oh.
Oh no!
Wait, no, stop! Clear! See? All better.
That'll be $85.
That'll be it.
Good choice.
Wow. But I don't have any more money. What? You
Get out
think
of here.
saving a lot?
Have a rotten day.
Oh
Mamma mia.
No way, Mario. So that's better than Waluigi. You dare betray me? You get in a fight to protect me? Brother. You know what? Just forget about the whole thing. Wario Bros. Residence. Yeah. Stupid Mario Brothers. I don't need them. I don't need anyone. I got chicken.
Fine. Oh
no.
Luigi would have wanted this chicken.
Move it!
And I
All
would have
for
told
me.
him no, piss off. I don't need it. I don't need it. His hat.
It's the grand opening.
Wow, holy crap,
yeah.
Luigi!
Luigi!
The carnival is in town! Oh wait, that's from the Death
Hey,
Street.
Luigi!
Mario, get out! I'm having a bad!
Luigi! Pututi na dito.
Carnival!
O manatuturo sa
Mario,
rebaro.
I'm taking long back to get out of this smell being in
I don't care.
Fine!
I'll go by myself, I'm gonna win me a prize.
Let's go!
Okay.
I'm going to bring you home, brother. Yeah, that was rough, Wario. Alright, that was a good one that I have seen, but I have seen the Mario Carnival before because I am doing a 2-video part of the SMG4 arcs, story arcs, because after I reacted to one video from the lawsuit saga, and there was the other one when SMG4 gone crazy. Man, because I have forgot about that. But it was actually good. This is the Saw one because I did forgot Waluigi was dressed up as Jigsaw because he wanted revenge on Mario and Nintendo. But yeah, that was actually crazy. And Mario helping Wario to scam people. I mean, scamming is a bad thing. Scamming is a bad idea. That's because scammers will go to prison and jail for that. But honestly, it was actually really good. Alright? We are like 4 videos away from the Waluigi Arc. Because I'm gonna do like the SMG4 story arcs in a right order. Because I know I did like reacted to the Puzzle Vision saga, just one, and yeah, cause I'm about to do like you know, correct order. So the second part of the SMG4 story arc is the Rapper Bob arc. Oh yeah, I have remembered that one. And there was the anime arc, the YouTuber arc. But anyways, if you guys know, hit the like, favorite, comments down below, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications. And then I'll see you later for the SMG4 reactions to continue the Waluigi arc. So, peace out.